What's going on? Showtime here. I want to bring you this video here. This is a 2002 Mitsubishi Galant with a no starting issue. No cranking, no starting. I'm going to show you guys what I did to fix it. Battery's good. Starter's brand new. Starter's down there. Okay. Check the relays, check fuses. Let me show you what it was. Pretty easy fix too. Let me get in the car. Let me show you what it does first. I was already taking it apart and I figured let me go ahead and make a video here. But anyway, let me show you what it does. Which it really doesn't do anything. It just does kind of like that. But I'll turn the key and nothing. Okay? Nothing at all. So this is what the issue was. Okay? What it is, was the old ignition. See, I already got the screws off. All the others is a torque wrench screw. I pulled this one out. Okay, pulled it out, and let's see here. See if I can put that down so you can see here. Okay. Well, that's not a very good. Well, anyway, okay. So unhook it from here. Okay, there it is there. And this is what I noticed here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, right about there. You see that? All melted plastic there. Oops. All melted plastic. Okay. Anyway, so we'll put that down. I got another one right here. Yeah. Got another one, brand new. I'm gonna plug this one right here in like this. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and plug this in like that. Let me see if I can do it with one hand here. Okay. Hang on one second. Yeah, this car was having a no starting issue. They changed the starter on it about a month ago. And okay, and I guess it started or something, and then this having the same issue again a month later. Like I said, the starter checked out fine, the battery's charged, and this is what I figured was next to check. So, okay, there, and we'll put the little screws in here. Okay, all there's are little torque screws here. Okay, and we'll put that in there like that, and we'll go ahead and put this one in there like this right here. Okay, oops, let me switch ends here. Now we'll go ahead and go like that. Okay, yeah. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna get the torque socket here. Oops. Okay, and it's just a little tight fit there, but hey, we'll get it done. Okay, and we're going like that. Screw it in nice and tight, without breaking it though, of course. I'll go the next one up here, and tighten this one up if we can here. Okay, there we go. Same thing, just tighten it up. Don't break it. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up. Just a couple more turns here, and then we will. We will. Okay. Hang on, let me put you down for a second here. Okay. Tighten this up here a little bit better because that's just what we gotta do here. Okay. And we gotta tighten up this bottom one. Okay. There you go. Now it's back in. Everything's all plugged in. There's only one wire to unplug. And let's give it a shot. Alright, here we go. Look, no trick up my sleeve or nothing. Got the key here. Go ahead and see what happens. Okay. Lights are on. And look at that. And the motor is running. No check engine light, that's just the door and the seatbelt. Turn it off. Yep. There you go. And that was the issue on this 2002 Mitsubishi Galant. That they changed the starter on it at least 4 times already. And that was the issue. Alright, hopefully I helped somebody out here. This is a pretty easy fix. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Showtime, I'm out of here.